Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, at this occasion, I would like to presentation to you about my portfolio. Okay, so in portfolio there is 8 of this course content. First is introduction, second game project, third is robotic and IoT project, fourth multimedia, Android and web, linear English until experience and achievement. So in here there is a page that describe about myself, and there is about my project, achievement that I've got, and the experience that I've got. And in the next there is a curriculum vitae. So in the field of the curriculum vitae is about my experience, my skills, my education, and my certificate. Okay, so we start to the first IT project, that is Game Scratch. Okay, so we start from the first one, that is Catching Fruit. So the Catching Fruit is was the first game that I made using Scratch. So the task at this game, we have to catching some apple using a ball. Then later the apple will fall from the sky, and then we have to catch it using ball. And in this game, there is the score and there is a timer. So when our score is 10, we will win the game. But if our score not achieve 10 and the timer was done, so we lose. Okay. So the second is Tag Me Out. Okay. So Tag Me Out is the game where we have to help cat for quit from the puzzle. So there is two stages. The first stage we have to collect 5 diamonds, and after we collect 5 diamonds, we can go to the next stage. That is, we have to answer some question, and after we answer the question, we will win the game. The third is Block Breaker. So Block Breaker, I made from scratch, was inspired by the digital game, the name Block Breaker 2. So when we touch the red line in the bottom, the ball touch the red bottom, so we will lose. But if we can break all of the block, we will win. Okay. And fourth, there is Bomberman. So Bomberman was inspired by legendary game 2 named Bomberman. So in here we have to bomb. The sprite name is crab. So we have to bomb the crab. So if we hit the crab, we will die. But if we can bomb the crab using bomb, we will win. Last is the Defender. So the Defender is one of the most difficult game that I've made using Scratch, because this is I made using I made 2 until 3 weeks. So in here we have to defend our city or our base using time, and there is 3 level, start from easy, medium, and hard. And that we continue to the second IT project, that is robotic and IoT. First there is Fire Flower. So in 8th grade, we make a project that is Fire Flowers, where we learning about plant flower from brand name Ichibo, and we using Fire Flower Ultimate 5 Max. Second is microbit temperature. So with microbit, we make temperature using internal item from the microbit. This is I think the first microbit project. Here there is smart home. So the smart home we made using Walkman. Walkman is the web simulation. If we want to learn about IoT, so in here later from the ESP32, later it will send some it will get some data from app named Google. So later if we want to want to see the maybe temperature, later the ESP will send the data to the Blink, and when the Blink send data for the lamp, later the lamp will be on. Okay, here there is smart touch. So this is using microbit too. Later in the garbage there is a sensor named ultrasonic sensor. So if our hand touch the sensor, later the door will be open. And then last there is remote XY. Remote XY, in here we learn for turn on and turn off lamp using our phone. In here we make a project with using 3 lamp. Okay, next we go into multimedia project. So the first there is illustration. So this is the first multimedia project. I made illustration about fashion or outfit. In here I get the reference from the Pinterest. The second project of multimedia there is design poster. So in here we made this poster about F&B, food and beverage. In here I made about discount burger. Continue. There is UI design. So the UI design is one of my best multimedia project. In here we made app that about Islamic app. In here my app name is Muslim. So the feature there is like schedule of sholat, duration of qiblah, Muslim news, and account management, and there is more. And in here there is UI animation. So the UI animation I made using Gitter actually. So we made like advertisement of our app. And last there is company profile. This is the last multimedia project. We made company profile using CapCut. So we made video around duration around 3 until 5 minutes. Okay, we continue to the last IT project, that is Android and web. First, from the folder there is radio online. So in radio online we can hear some kajian. This yang Muslim kajian. The second dari Stop Me. So in here the application is made using Polyglot. So later when we input the text, from the app we will process from the text to the sound. Later the output will be that is sound. Maybe if we input hello, later there is sound hello. And then there is find my age. Here, so if we input our age, maybe we input example 20 years old. Later there is the indicator that we already like maybe adult, or if we input 5 years old, later there is like still child. Okay, this is next there is zakat screen. Zakat screen we made using Flutter. So Flutter one of the hardest IT project from the years in IDL, because the installation is hard, and for this screen we made like one week for one screen. Here, so later when we input our harta, later there is the we have to zakat how much. And then there is jadwal sholat. So in here the application can generate schedule of sholat and with different time, and based on the location. Here there is personal site. Personal site. In here I just show the hero section. So this website. There is like home, my project, and my admin. So in my project, you can see all of my project. In here there is school website. I made a school website about my old school in Jamanwani. And in this there is most website. That is Masjid Aslam around my home. When we continue to the dunia project, the first there is storytelling Abu Bakar. Here I storytelling about Abu Bakar in English. This is dunia project, Sirah dunia project, Sirah project, and we have to telling story around 7 minutes. There is Akidah about ikhlas kepada Allah. This I made in 7 grade. Okay, next there is mind mapping, thinking mind mapping. That is a group that can achieve zakat. Here, fakir, miskin, borin, and much more. And last is there is adab menjamu. This is kosakata from adab project. So here I made just using okay, the next there is English project. So in here I podcast with my friend about nepotism because this is one about politics. And the next there is factoring. In here I presentation about how we can manage our time. Next there is study plan. In here I go to my class what is my plan study for the next year after I graduate from the junior high school. And in here there is a final project interview English that me podcast about my project in IDN. Okay, here we continue to the achievement certificate. In here there is 2 certificates from BCI. The first there is cybersecurity, and the second there is dasar informatika. Okay, the second there is 2 certificates from Solana. The first is Introduction to HTML. Here I learning about fundamental of web development. The first we learning about HTML or the structure of the website. And second there is Introduction to CSS, where I learning how can we design our website. Here there is CSA, where I got from joining courses in Indian ID or IDN Snoopy. So the training was 3 days, include the exam. So this is the first diploma certificate that I graduated. And after that there is certificate from the body. The name Dasar DevOps. And next is certificate from competition. That is I got third place in the expectation. And the next there is same. This is from the competition too. I got 5th place for the competition. Okay, we continue to the last. There is experience. In here, the first there is exhibition where I joined Hartiknas 2023, and I presentation about robotics in front of much people, and there is the of Bekasi. And here, say, I joined institution, serve as one month in IDN Teknofair Games, IDN Royal School, Malang. Okay. So in here I teach some people how can the variety of drone and machine gun. And there is in an open house. In here, same I handle the drone drone booth, but with some app project. Then here there is teaching. First I teach to Imanurani, my old school. This is my second teaching program. I teaching about Scratch and design font. Okay, and then there is teaching 343. And here I teaching from Malaysia, Thailand, and Cambodia. And next there is Darul Hikmah School. This is school in Kerala where I teach about Scratch. And here there is SMP Giriasuna. So in SMP Giriasuna, I teach about how to make the poster. And in SMP Darussunnah, I teach about how to make some advertisement poster using Canva. Okay, and in here was the back cover. So in here there is some words for me. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.